All right, here's another systems word problem. Over the summer, Ted worked as a lifeguard and at the concession stand of a water park. One week, Ted worked 18 hours as a lifeguard and 12 hours at the concession stand and earned $228. The next week, Ted earned $254 for 24 hours as a lifeguard and 8 hours at the concession stand. How much money per hour does Ted get paid for each job? So we're going to figure out what each job is here that he's actually going to do. So the first job he has is lifeguard. So I'm going to say that that's L. So L is going to be lifeguard. And the second one he has is working at the concession stand. So I'll call that C. So there's his concession stands. Now we're trying to figure out money. We're trying to figure out how much he gets paid for each job. So with that in mind, let's start setting up some equations here. Let's see. I see the first amount of pay here as $228. So what did he do to make that $228? Well, he worked 18 hours as a lifeguard, so that could be 18L. And he worked 12 hours at the concession stand, so that is 12C. And he earned a total of $228. So it would make sense that some amount of time as a lifeguard plus some amount of time as a concession stand worker would give him $228. So there's our first equation. Now we know our second one, he earned $254, so equals 254, for working 24 hours as a lifeguard, so 24L, plus 8 hours at a concession stand, so plus 8C, and he made a total of $254. Now, solve this one any way you want, just like the previous video. I suggest you pause it for a moment, and then I will go ahead and reveal the answer. But again, we're looking for how much does he get paid at each job. So the answer has to have a unit of money on it. If you want to pause it, go ahead and pause it now, and then I will reveal the answer. You should have worked it out that as a lifeguard, he earned $8.50 an hour, and as a concession worker, he earned $6.25.